Sambalia. These are reasons why we should have centers, and this is why.
We're doing second grade, and the standard is 2G2. Partition a rectangle into rows and columns of the same size squares and count to find the total number of them.
How Legos can help is you can have a flat piece that you could put the same size Legos on each little part of it, and you can count how many Legos you put down.
IMAX Center, and we chose the standard from Science 5.L.2.1. Compare characteristics of several common ecosystems, including estuaries and salt marshes, oceans, lakes and ponds, forests, and grasslands.
5.L.2. iMovie can help us with comparing ecosystems because we can import media of different ecosystems and look how they are similar and different. We can decide which ones are the most alike and compare the similarities using videos and pictures to compare estuaries, salt marshes, oceans, lakes, ponds, forests, and grasslands.
Games from kindergarten, we did KMD.3, classify objects into given categories, count the numbers of objects in each category, and sort the categories by count. And then we said trouble, because trouble because you count the spaces.
We're looking at iMovie, and we think iMovie would help for the standard 3.E.2.1 because it would help students can see how people became entrepreneurs and the different people who were entrepreneurs, and it is also very creative for the students.
The station that we're looking at is IMAC, and we thought that standard 4.C and G.1 would help understand the development structure and function of North Carolina's government. And the example we gave was this would help students learn creativity by learning about civics and the government, and then they could talk about it, and then they could make like a project and teach others, and that is like to be like creative.
At Makey, standard 3.P.3.1, and it is recognized that energy can be transferred from one object to another by rubbing them against each other, and we thought that would relate to Makey because you have your motherboard, and that starts up the energy, and to complete a full circuit you must connect all of the wires and lead them back to the motherboard to make a full energy circuit.
We're looking at the board game center for kindergarten, and okay, Alex, you just.
So what is the standard that you feel like it's aligned to?
K.OA.3. Decompose numbers less than or equal to 10 into pairs in more than one way by using objects or drawings, and record each decomposition by a drawing or equation.
So our example for a board game is Monopoly because it uses money, and when you buy things in Monopoly, you have to subtract your money from what you buy.
For listening, thanks for considering.